Today my task at hand is filling some Ziebart holes. Yesterday I went ahead and pulled off all the trim, the molding, rubber trim, and that's what that is there. I'm gonna have to end up replacing it. The trim, and then there's the seal that goes up top here. I'm gonna have to replace, but so yeah, I'm gonna take the doors off and I'm gonna start filling all the Ziebart holes because I don't really need all those holes. So that's my plan for today. But I gotta take the door off first and then go from there. Alright, that's one side done. Filled all the holes. One side done, now let's do the other side. Alright, so I got all the Ziebart holes plugged. That took a little while. I ended up also doing these 3 holes that were in the bed that were there also. Just 3. Other than that, there isn't, I don't think, any other holes for Ziebart. I looked around a lot. I didn't see any other ones, but so I got all those taken care of. So next up, I have to finish cleaning up the doors. I have the bottom of that door yet to clean up, and then the inside I'm gonna clean up around the outside here. Both doors. And then those will be ready for epoxy. The body is almost ready for epoxy. I still need to sand a little bit more, sand the jams, the jams up and around, and then I'll have to get into the fenders. I need to recoat them with Asphalt and then wash them with water. That's what they recommend doing before coating them with epoxy so that it doesn't eat through, or so the epoxy sticks well. You have to recoat them and then wash them with water, and then they'll be ready for epoxy. And then once I do that, then I can fill these holes. And then the fenders will be ready. The hood, I think I'm just going to sand with 320 the top side, and then see what it looks like. If there's any areas I need to fill, that's when I'll do it. And then the underside, I'm just going to probably sand and scuff it up, do it all I need to do to get it ready for epoxy, and then yeah, wash it first. It's pretty dirty. So yeah, that's where I'm gonna end this one today. I still need to go through and clean up some of the interior. I've done a lot of it so far. Sanded the top, sanded this. I still need to sand all up through there and around, but save that for another time. But anywho, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.